Most people think canceling Walmart is complicated, and that's exactly why they delay it and end up getting charged again. Here's the truth no one tells you. Canceling Walmart is actually simple, but only if you know where the option is hidden inside the app settings. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel Walmart in 2026 step by step, so you can stop charges without stress or confusion. Let's start from the beginning. First, open the Walmart app on your phone and make sure you are signed into the correct account. This is important because many users accidentally log into a secondary account and think their membership is missing. Now here's where it gets interesting. Walmart does not put the cancel button on the home screen. You need to go into your account settings to find it. Tap on your profile icon inside the app. Then go to the Walmart section. This is where your membership details are stored. But here's the problem most people face. They stop at the membership page and assume there is no cancel option. In reality, it is just a few taps deeper. Inside the Walmart section, look for Membership Management or Subscription Settings. Tap it, and you will see options to either pause or cancel your membership. Now imagine someone like Alex trying to cancel his subscription quickly before the renewal date. He opens the app, gets confused by menus, and almost gives up. But once he follows the correct path, he finds the cancel option in under a minute. Now here's something important you need to pay attention to. When you tap cancel, Walmart may try to offer you discounts or pause options instead of fully canceling. This is normal. Just continue through the prompts until you confirm full cancellation. After confirmation, your membership will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. That means you still get benefits until that date, even after canceling. Now let's make this super simple. Open the Walmart app.de. Go to your profile. Tap Walmart. Open Membership Settings. Select Cancel. Confirm the cancellation. Now here's a key mistake people make. They cancel but forget to check their email confirmation. Always look for a cancellation email to make sure the process is fully completed. If you don't receive it, the cancellation may not have gone through. Also, if you signed up through a third party like a mobile payment system, you may need to cancel it from that platform instead of directly in the app. So always double-check your billing source. Let's summarize it clearly. Canceling Walmart is done inside the account settings, not the home screen. You must go through membership settings, confirm cancellation, and check for confirmation email. The biggest mistake people make is assuming it is already canceled without verifying it. That is what leads to unwanted charges. Once you know where to look, the process takes less than a minute. If this helped you cancel Walmart easily, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.